Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the front CV axle on BMW E46 X-Drive. This car is 4-wheel drive, so it has a front CV axle as well, and that's the CV axle right there. To get access to the CV axle, first we'll start by removing the wheel. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we need to remove this nut for the CV axle. We also need to remove this tie rod end, and also need to remove the bolt for this control arm, the nut right there. Next, we're going to remove the nut for the tie rod end, and then we're going to hammer it a little bit and it will come out. Next, we're going to remove this nut for the control arm. Next, we're going to separate the control arm from the wheel hub assembly. We're going to hammer it a little bit, and then we're going to pull it down. While pulling down the control arm, we're going to hit it a little bit more, and it will separate. And that's the ball joint of the control arm out. Now we're going to remove the CV joint from the wheel hub, and then we're going to take out the whole CV axle. That's the CV joint out. Now, in order for the whole wheel hub assembly not to be in our way, I'm going to hang it with a rope and just bring it this way and hold it there. Now, to take out the CV axle from the other side towards the transmission, first we're going to need to remove this engine under tray, and then I'll show you where you need to hit the CV axle in order to take it out. So that's the CV axle, and now we're going to go to the rear of the CV axle, and I'll show you where exactly you need to hit it, maybe with a screwdriver or with a pry bar, with something. That's the rear side of the CV axle, and you need to hit it right there. Here's a better view. You need to hit it exactly right there, this side, on that side, and there's two more on top of the CV axle. I'm putting on a screwdriver in there and just I'm going to hammer it out and you see how it comes out. You can see it's already separating, so I need to hit it maybe one or two more times and it will come out all the way. Now I need to just take out the whole CV axle. On this side the CV axle is long, on the other side the CV axle is short, but on this side look how long it is. But to take it out from the other side, it's exactly the same procedure. Next we're going to put the CV axle back. When you put the CV axle back into the transmission, make sure when you put it in all the way, make sure that you can feel it at the end of the CV axle is actually onto the threads before you start hammering it in. To hammer the CV joint in, first put the nut on and then start tapping the CV joint and it will come in eventually, to go in all the way. Sometimes it goes in with 3-4 hits, sometimes you might want to do 10 or 15 hits in order to get in all the way, but it will go in eventually. But before hitting it, make sure that you can feel that the threads, that the CV joint is on the threads, and then you just hit it in. Next we're going to assemble everything else in the reverse order. We're going to put the CV joint into the wheel hub assembly, then put it on the control arm and the tie rod end, and put on the bolts and nuts and tighten them. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.